Common question: can you sneeze with your eyes open? The truth is, while you can try, most people really can't. When you sneeze, your body naturally activates a reflex that often causes your eyes to close. This reflex is a protective mechanism to prevent irritants from entering your eyes. Some research suggests that it's physically possible to sneeze with your eyes open, but it's quite rare. In conclusion, while you may attempt it, don't be surprised if your eyes shut tight at the moment of sneezing.